It is Sunday. I'm quickly getting ready because I think I've got like 30 minutes to get ready. But I'm heading to Sephora, which is Sephora's new beauty convention. I'm so excited to head back. I have partnered with Sephora for this video, and I am so stoked to show you guys what Sephora is. It's basically like a weekend of just beauty. They are having this event at the Reserve, which is a club in downtown LA. I've definitely been there a couple times, and it's so crazy to see what it looks like now because they basically gutted it out. They put all these booths of my favorite beauty brands. It's like art installations, there's makeup demos, you can even make your own makeup and you can sample any of the makeup brands that you've wanted to try out there, and it's so freaking cool. I went on Friday for their kickoff party and I had so much fun. I ran into a lot of my friends there, and it was really cool getting to see it for my eyes because I've never been to an event this elaborate before. This one really takes the cake. I'm going back today. I have my meetup at 11:30 and I'm so excited to meet you guys there. I just used the La Mer Luminous Cushion Foundation as my base, and then Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer for my under eyes. So now I'm just going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just lightly dust it. I'm going to use this Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. This is their Mothership Sublime. I friggin' love Pat McGrath. Their eyeshadows just like they just hit hard, and I just love her color choices. Pat McGrath is like one of the biggest makeup artists in the world, and whenever I'm like looking for makeup inspiration, especially editorial ones, I'll just go on Pinterest and I'll look up Pat McGrath makeup boards, and I'm just like save, pin. For brows, using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Time for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this emerald green eyeshadow. Wow. I did this eye makeup look yesterday just to, you know, play around with it, and I was really happy with the way it came out. It's looking very emerald. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner. I've never used the Dagger version. I'm very familiar with her normal one. As you can see, the tip is slightly angled. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna give this a go. I've never used this. Oh, that is very precise. Cool. And then for mascara, I'm using Hourglass's Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. For contour, using Benefit Hula Light. For blush, going in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit. And then for highlight, gonna use this very mellow one on the left corner. And then for falsies, I'm using these ones by Velour. I believe this is called Would I Lie? Alright, so this is the finished look, and I love the emerald. It's like one of my favorite colors to use for the fall time. And for my lip color, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. It's in this nice peachy salmon color, but I'm gonna save this, like I'm gonna apply this lastly right before I leave because I want that to be as fresh as possible. It is the last day of Sephora. I just got here. I'm here at the garden. There is a huge tub of La Mer right over there. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this gingham long sleeve. Got some skinny jeans, my big Public Desire boots. So excited to head back in. Oh my goodness, I am back from the event. We had so much fun. We got to check out the downstairs, the basement level, and it was so sick. There was Pat McGrath, there was Tom Ford, Fenty. That was a lot of fun. And I wanted to thank everyone that came to my meetup. And I got to have like moments with all y'all. So thank you so much for coming out. It means the world to me. And thank you for Sephora for partnering with me and sending me out there. So now I'm gonna, you know, get into something more comfortable. Take this hat off. As you can see, you know, there's some hat hair. All right, what's up guys? I'm on my way to Whaley's house because today we are going bullet journal shopping for me. I have heard about the whole craze of bullet journaling, and for a long time I didn't think it was the quite right fit for me because, you know, I like to just grab and go. I'm a little impatient at times, and I thought like having a bullet journal would be more time consuming than I would like in order to plan my day. But after watching her bullet journal video, she explained it as more of like a calming, relaxing activity, something that I can do to doodle and get more creative. And it would be nice to have all my ideas all in one notebook. And so I am going to get all the supplies needed. We're gonna go to the stationery store and grab everything from the rulers, the tape, to notebooks, everything. And so I'm really excited to get started. I've got the bullet journal queen herself.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say your bullet journal supplies. I'm like, yeah, the queen. Okay.
The queen.
Did you show them?
No, I didn't. I should do a little haul.
Yeah, you should maybe when you get home. But we got the classic. I cannot pronounce this. Leuchter. It's like German
with the dotted lines.
Yeah.
We got 2 sets of markers. That store we went to was super informative. Like everyone wanted to help us.
Yeah,
including that drunk lady.
Yeah, I know. I was like, okay.
Yeah, it's
it was
like
a little awkward.
Yeah.
She was like pushing it on Jen, like, you should get these markers, you should get these pens.
We got the supplies that we needed, and I'm gonna go home and show you guys what I got.
And we got tea.
This tea has me super jazzed. This tea hits hard. I just got back home, and before I forgot, I wanted to do the bullet journal haul. So we already talked about this notebook. This is the Leuchter. Got classic black. I was tempted by the purple, but I thought, you know, black would just be more classic. This is my first one after all. All right, next up we've got these markers. I couldn't decide which set I wanted to get, so I ended up just getting both. One has all these flesh tones and the other is this pastel set. Moving on, I have this bullet journal stencil. So as you can see, this is gonna really help me with the little designs. There's like lines, and I absolutely love these little tiny graphics they have here. So it's gonna be really easy to use these markers to, you know, incorporate these little stencils when I need them. Then I got 4 rolls of washi tape. These are just in a color scheme that I enjoy. I have these 2 pens. These are the microns, and these are very fine. Now I have a lead pencil just to draw the designs first, and then once that looks good, I'm gonna go on over with the actual pen. I am gonna start looking at some templates on Pinterest because Lily said I can find some cool inspiration there. So, gonna practice. I'm very excited. I feel the Halloween spirit. It looks awesome.
Because this top part was so big.
All right, we are here. Hey, Angela.
Hi! Working on another Eggy collection.
Which collection?
It is Festival.
Oh my god.
To dance.
Can you believe it? We haven't even been able to enjoy fall, and we're already working on the spring collection.
And holiday is gonna come out soon.
Yeah, I know. I just tried on like 80% of the holiday collection, and
Well, it looks so good on
I'm
her.
so excited. The color scheme works.
Yeah.
How cute is this top? Okay. Hi guys, in the car. I just finished the meeting at Eggy. We went over the holiday collection. I have all the samples in the bag. I am so freaking pumped for this collection. There's a lot of dresses, there's some dope pants, there's some cute tops, and it all flows really well. I feel like we're really nailing down the cohesiveness and the aesthetic of the brand, and I'm so excited. I really love the relationship that I have with Angela. She is my designer at Eggy, and I love the fact that we can be super collaborative. I said this before, I did not go to fashion school. I don't know how to sew. I don't know about pattern making or anything. I'm not about to be a contestant on Project Runway. Like, that's not me. But I know what I like when I see it, and once I have the option and I'm presented with it, I know exactly what I want. I'm with Chrislyn. Hello.
Hi.
Chrislyn is my video editor. We are just, you know, having dinner, catching up. She just came back from Hawaii, got me all these lovely snacks, which I'm very, very excited to eat when I'm at home. I got the miso rainbow bowl. This is like what I always get here at Sage. It is bomb. Hey, Chippy. Hello. She loves the cuddle. This is the situation right now. It is Tuesday. I just did my workout at Barry's. It was leg and butt day. Very, very challenging. I kind of had a tough time waking up today, but I freaking pulled myself together. There's nothing to it but to do it. It is time for morning pages. This is my morning pages notebook. I forget who started it, but I learned this process from Amy. But yeah, you're supposed to write out 3 full pages every day, and you're supposed to dump out everything in your mind. I started in July 14th, 2018. This process is supposed to help really clear your mind, because when I wake up, I think that's when I have the most racing thoughts. And for a week, I was pretty freaking good. I was on it, but I think I missed a day and then I just gave up. I think that's the problem with me. When I'm on a streak and I'm on a roll, I'm like, yes, let's keep this going. I get really hyped on that. But the second that I drop the ball or I skip a day, I just kind of give up and I throw in the towel. But the thing is, I've realized that I would much rather do something sporadically and consistently throughout the year than just do it in bulk perfectly and then just giving up. These days, Ben has been super busy with work. He is in New York right now for a whole week. He comes back on Friday. And I don't know, I'm like living alone again, which is awesome, but it also has its cons because I feel like I've definitely gotten comfortable with living with someone. But I'm not gonna lie, I really do enjoy living alone. I like that everything is exactly where I placed it. Like even all this like random stuff here, like this is my stuff. It's a good time for me to really like release my thoughts and figure out how I can be way, way more comfortable with myself, because these days I feel lonely, but there's like no one in particular I want to see. So I don't know, and it's nothing like personal against any of the people that I have in my life, because I absolutely love them, but it's one of like, it's like this lonely feeling that like I just like carry with me sometimes. But I don't know, I've just been doing a lot of reading, I've been doing some writing. This really helps out. I find this process quite grueling because I enjoy typing things out because I'm just a lot faster. But with this, I'm like manually writing out all my feelings, and then, you know, like my arthritis kicks in and it's painful, but it's good because it helps me slow down my thoughts. Because sometimes when I'm typing, I type so fast that like, I don't even know where I'm going with it. But when I'm writing, like my hand can't go as fast as my brain, so you know, I really have time to collect my thoughts. But yeah, I'm just blabbing on. I'm about to do 3 pages of this. I finished my hair and makeup because once Iris gets here, we're gonna go thrifting. I'm really excited. It's been so long since I've thrifted. I think I'm just gonna go around like my neighborhood because there are a lot of pop-in vintage shops here. I'm not gonna go to a Goodwill. I wanna go to places that are a little bit more mom and pop. I know the prices are a little bit more steep, but I think that there's more like curated items in there, so we'll see. I'm gonna hit up American Vintage and Sunday's Best, so we'll see what I find. What's up, guys? It is Wednesday now. I'm just editing the final clips for this vlog. I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this sporadic vlog. I have no idea what to call it yet, but it will come. It will eventually come. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Bye. Mwah.